This is JoJo Lawnmower Man, and today's exciting adventures. I'm going to cook this right here. I'm going to work extremely hard cooking because you know how much I like to cook. So here it is. We're going to take this pizza here and stick it. I am working really hard, ladies and gentlemen, to prepare this meal. So throw it here. Oh my goodness. I hope I got this right. Let's see. Three. Where's the start button? Let's see. Look at that. Holy mackerel. I busted this. What? Wait. Hold on. Let me. Pizza. It's not cooked. Okay. Okay. I got it. There. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are cooking with gasoline right now. Well, at least with microwave. We're cooking. So, yes. I worked extremely hard to cook. You know, I mean, shoot, what about this? You know, I didn't make these. The store did. But yeah, this is exhausting work, ladies and gentlemen. So, uh, yeah. So we're gonna. I think it's. Is it ready? See how hard I'm working. I hate cooking. And oh, it's 1:38 right now. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Shoot, why did it turn it? Hey, hold on. It's nuking it now. Yeah, the next thing I gotta learn to do is to make music. Figure out to use the tunes. So yeah, it's smelling pretty good now. See, no other channel has videos like I create. I am one of a kind. Here we go, ladies. 36, 35. Smells pretty good. Cheese is starting to melt. Oh, I'm exhausted, man. Oh, this cooking is absolutely crazy. I hate cooking. Like, where do you? Where's the on switch to this thing? Where is the on switch? Let's see. Where is? Anyone see an on switch? Oh wait, hold it. Wait, where is the on switch? I'm glad I don't use this thing. Can't even find it. Oh, there it is, right here. Okay, this is the on switch, ladies. Okay, there it is. Wow, I never use that, so. But this is Jojo Lobo, man. You guys have a great day. I'm gonna enjoy what I worked so hard in making. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna have to do that in another couple minutes. You guys take it easy now. Yeah, bye.